How's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's Workshop. This video is a little bit different. A little change up here in what's going on. Normally I do little projects around the shop, around the camp, whatever. This time it was a road trip. Every year some buddies and me, we get together and we go on what we call our winter camping trip. There's a little camp in a little village near where I live here in central Nova Scotia. The camp is out behind the village in the woods. It's a woods camp. We mainly go out there and cut firewood, block it and split it, and it's a good weekend. Bunch of friends get together, you know, and have a camp, bend the elbow a little bit and so on and so forth, and do a little wood. It's usually good fun. This year though, doing wood wasn't on the agenda. So what we're going to do, well, we just can't sit around and drink all weekend. So we decided what we'd do is, they have two camps. First of all, they have a new one that they built a couple, 3 or 4 years ago now. But the old camp is up on a ledge and behind where this new camp is located. We wanted to move the old camp off the ledge, and it's frozen solid on this ledge, and it's an awkward spot where the camp was. It's hard to get to even if you walk. But we decided what we'd do is we would move that camp off that ledge, pull her down into the landing by the new camp. Had a couple of tractors and some chains and a logging winch, and we got her done. So have a look and see what you think. turns on a dime, Paul.
Yeah. Calculate.
Yeah.
No.
No wonder, eh? No wonder she wouldn't come out.
No. A new lean-to.
Yeah. Is that? Are they going to use it for wood? I thought it was going to be a bunkie.
Oh, that was why I first guessed, but somebody told me it was
A deluxe cabin for glamping.
$125 a night.
Yeah. BYOB though. Bring your own bed.
Your own bed.
I'd say it's froze, eh? There you go, boys. That's how you move a camp in Nova Scotia. Yeah, it was. We always have good fun when we go away camping. These boys that we go with, they're resourceful. There's no such thing as can't. They put their mind to it. It gets done. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Click like, click subscribe if you haven't done so already, and feel free to share the video. And we'll talk to you next time on Grampie's Workshop.